Maurice here back for another Power Pack training. Today we're going to help you guys to make anywhere from $5,000 to $10,000 a month in social media marketing. Okay, so you're going to want to watch this video all the way through, and we're going to go over some things I believe that's stopping you guys from reaching your full potential in social media marketing. I'm gonna go over what's really stopping you guys and holding you back, because let's face it, the courses are out there, the coaches are out there, the information's out there, you guys are watching the YouTube video, but the truth of the matter is you guys are still not signing up clients. And the biggest reason, we're gonna go over a couple reasons why you guys still don't have your first agency client yet. And the biggest one, I believe, and this is one that, you know, when I started my agency, I had to deal with, but I got over it very quick, okay? And this is the big one. This is what's holding all of you guys back, okay? And that is fear, okay? This is what's stopping you guys from making the calls, from getting the clients, because you don't believe you can get the clients' results, so you're fearful, okay? It's blocking you from getting to your goal, which is 10K per month, okay? You guys are allowing this word fear to stop you, okay? How do you get over this, okay? How do you stop this word, this feeling, this mindset? And that's what it really is. It's a mindset that's holding 98% of the people back, because let's face it, ladies and gentlemen, 98% of the people online aren't making money, okay? And that's because of fear, okay? Most of you guys don't believe that you can get clients results. Most of you guys don't believe you can make phone calls, so therefore you just continue to watch videos. You just continue to not get the courses because you don't believe in yourself. The reason why you guys are afraid to invest $1,000 or $2,000 in a course is you don't believe in yourself. That's why you're not doing the activity, is because you don't believe. And when you don't believe something, you don't do it. Now you can say, if I asked you guys, do you believe you can make $10,000 in social media marketing? Most of you guys will say yes. But the truth of the matter is, I'll say, let me ask you this. How many cold calls, okay? How many calls did you make today? How many cold calls did you, if we have to put that in a box, no excuses, okay? I don't want you to say, well, I had to work, or I was tired, or I don't know who to call, or whatever the case may be. How many people, how many business owners did you call today? And the truth of the matter is, it's going to be a big fat zero. And ladies and gentlemen, if you don't put forth the activity, okay, you won't make this. You won't hit $10,000 a month because you're not doing anything. And that's what's going on in social media too, is most people aren't putting forth the effort to prospect. You have to prospect business owner and let them know that you exist. That's all you're essentially doing when you're making cold calls. You're just looking for those that are looking for you. And if you guys need help, you want somebody to help you to get over your fears, and you want to learn how I literally went from zero to making over $10,000 a month my first year as a newbie, click the link in the description. You guys can sign up for the Social Media Prospecting Pro course. But the first thing we got to deal with, ladies and gentlemen, is fear. The acronym for fear is false evidence appearing real. Okay, the things that you're saying to yourself in your mind aren't really true, okay? You're saying to yourself that I can't help anyone. But ladies and gentlemen, you can. You just have to put forth the effort. Now, the thing about fear, ladies and gentlemen, the only way, if you have fears and anxieties and phobias of picking up the phone, okay, ladies and gentlemen, the only way for you to get over is, number one, hire a coach. Okay, someone that can pull that mess out of you, someone that's already went down the road, that's successful in social media marketing, that can mentor you and hold you by the hand and tell you that you can, and they can put you on the right system. Because that's what I have to do for my students. I have to give them the right regimen, because that music that's played in your head is the music that's stopping you from getting to $10,000 a month. It's really nobody pointing a gun at you and saying, hey, don't pick up that that phone or I'm going to shoot you. No, it's your mindset. It's your programming. Okay, because ladies and gentlemen, we've been trained and brought up a certain way. Our parents automatically programmed us and they didn't even know that. So if your parents were negative or said you wouldn't amount to anything, or you've been around friends or family members that told you you're nothing, you'll never make money, that stuff is sticking in your mind. So what we have to do is break that mess so that you can be the person that you need to be. And that's why I always tell you guys to invest in yourself. You got to have that if you're going to make the big money. Now, if you just want a cheeseburger or you just want to make a few dollars, then ladies and gentlemen, you don't have to invest in yourself. You could just get a job and go work at Walmart. But if you want to make money like the big boys invest in this. Because if I asked you how much money have you invested in this, and you're investing more money in your cable bill and in your ride and your clothes and your shoes and video games and food and junk and cookies, and you're not spending any money in your personal development, but your cable bill is $100, $200 a month, and you're not spending any money in SMMA, you're not spending any money in yourself, ladies and gentlemen, you're selling yourself a false dream. You might as well hang it up now because you're not going to be successful. So, number one, ladies and gentlemen, the only way for you to get over your fears, like I said, is a coach. And then number two, okay, ladies and gentlemen, is this. This is so important. You have to take, okay, action. This is so key. You have to take action. Okay, that's the only way to win the race. You don't win the race sitting in the bleachers. You don't win the race by watching YouTube videos. And I'm glad you guys are watching the YouTube videos because it's helping you. But the only way to win the race is through action. Okay, action will allow you to get over the fear. When you do the thing, fear leaves you. Okay, when you pick that phone up and you begin to talk to that business owner and you start to say, this is not as bad as I thought it was. Haven't you done that before when you first learned to do something and you said, man, I thought this was worse than what it was, but in actuality it turned out that it was easier than what you thought, because that was fear holding you back and you got over the fear and you seen that it wasn't that hard. Ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you my story. When I started off in social media marketing, I was overworked, underpaid. I was working in a warehouse, working the graveyard shift. I was working at night, sleeping during the day. I didn't have the money that I wanted to have, and I was sick and tired of being sick and tired. There was too much month at the end of the money, and I needed a way out. And so I endeavored to start my own endeavors, and luckily I was able to stumble upon social media marketing. I was struggling. I was leery of making phone calls. But ladies and gentlemen, I knew that there was a better way, and I said to myself, man, if I could just get 5 clients paying me anywhere, and at the time, anywhere from $1,000 to $2,000 a month, I knew that would be 5 to 10 grand. So I had to do this. And a lot of you guys are holding yourself to the fire. So I got the books, I got the courses, I invested in the coach, and I took action. And folks, that led me to a 6-figure income. Okay, I was making over $10,000 a month, and in my first year as a newbie. But here's what I said to myself. You know what? I was like, man, I don't want to get hung up on the phone. I'm afraid to do this. You know what I mean? I don't like that. I don't like rejection. None of us likes rejection. But guess what, ladies and gentlemen? I said, you know what? If I want to get out of this dead-end job, I'm sick of these bills, and I want to make it, and I want to hit $10,000 a month, I got to do this. And that's what you got to say to yourself. I got to do this. I got to get the course. If I don't, then what is the alternative? You're not going to get ahead if you don't get the right information. If you don't get the right course and coach, you're not going to get ahead, ladies and gentlemen. So you have to do this stuff if you want to be successful. Okay, so I grabbed that phone and I went at it. I just kept going. I got good at it. I learned the lingo that I share with you guys on my channel, and lo and behold, I was able to make $100,000 my first year. I was blown away simply because I took action. I got over my fears. And until you take action and you get over your fears, ladies and gentlemen, there is no $10,000 a month. You're just living in a pipe dream. And most people on the internet are living a pipe dream, while myself and other people are raking in thousands of dollars a month by simply helping business owners. That's all we do. And here's the thing, ladies and gentlemen, at the time, I didn't know about Google AdWords and Facebook and all that type of stuff. Okay, I found somebody that could do it for me, and that's why I recommend. Then I eventually learned the stuff so that I can better point my outsources in the right direction, so you guys can do the same thing. But to be honest with you, all you need to do is get clients, and you can hire someone else to do that for you. Okay, and then I set up a schedule for myself, and I made calls. So ladies and gentlemen, that's what you guys have to do if you want to be successful in SMMA. You have to put in the work. You have to pay your dues. And this is always going to look you in the face. And until you take action, ladies and gentlemen, you won't make the money. And all you have to do is do this for 60 to 90 days, and you can hit the $10,000 a month goal. Okay. And if you guys want to know more about this, you want to model my system, you're not afraid to pick up the phone, or if you just need help and you are afraid to pick up the phone, you say, Maurice, if I can just get the right course, the right mentor, the right information, then hey, I feel that I can do it. Click the link in the description. You guys can sign up for coaching or grab the course, and then I'll be able to work with you on your mindset in the course and help you to get over your fears and anxiety so that you can set up a simple schedule, okay, Monday through Saturday, and you guys can get to this $10,000 a month mark. Okay, so folks, that's it. If you guys want more clients, you got to get over your fears. You got to stop telling yourself that you can't do it, because you can. It's easy. Business owners are waiting for you. You just got to roll your sleeves up and go to work. Okay, my name is Maurice Gear. I want to thank you guys for watching the video. Comment below, let me know what you guys thought. Hit the thumbs up, it helps with the algorithm. If you're not a subscriber, and most of you guys aren't a subscriber of the channel, make sure you guys subscribe. I put out a lot of videos to help you guys get to the next level. My goal is to help as many people as possible make 6 figures and beyond in their social media marketing agency. My name is Maurice Gear. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye for now.